Hello, it's Hanny. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching if you do. Today I want to make Margarete Miller's collage challenge, her weekly challenge, and we are at week 27. And the prompts are something that contains metal. Well, I have a few things: a globe, the Eiffel Tower, how do you call that? A fence. And well, I found some pictures from magazines. And I have these things, these ornaments, and I have lots more, but well, I thought this is enough. So that I have flower petals. Well, I have real petals, but I don't think I'm going to use them. Here are a few little flowers I have left, but I think I'm just going to use some pictures of flowers. Well, I have a lot, so that will be no problem, I hope. String of numbers. Well, I have a number stamp, and I have all kinds of numbers, bingo cards, and my own digital numbers. Something written in your non-dominant hand. Well, I have to do that. I'm right-handed, so I will write something in with my left hand. A symbol. Well, I have a few symbols here. And ledger paper. Well, I have a few pieces of ledger paper. I have more. I have this piece too. That's a bit more vintage. And I didn't tea dye or coffee dye this ones, but well, we'll see. So that's those are the prompts. And where is my journal? Oh, there is my journal. I will get it. Sorry if I'm in the way. So here is my, is that upside down? Yes, that's upside. Oh, that's the back. I thought that's the front, but well, 27 I said. Yes, 27. So I will use this page for that. Well, I think I'm going to speed up the video so you can watch me glue the things on. And you already saw what I'm going to use, so yeah, I'm going to speed up and enjoy watching.